Hi my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach mathematics, that is 10th class topic statistics. So in statistics, what do you mean by statistics? Statistics means collection and analysis, interpretation and organization of data. Statistics means collection, analysis, interpretation and organization of data. So, in other words, statistics means it is a mathematical discipline for collection or summarizing a data. What do you mean by data? We use this term in this chapter many times. So, what do you mean by data? Data means collection of facts, observations, measurements, like that. So data means this. After this, the data is also of two types. Qualitative and quantitative. So data is also of two types, qualitative and quantitative. What do you mean by qualitative? The given data will be in a descriptive way, like girl is so fat, or boy is thin. When the data is given in a descriptive way, it is called qualitative data. So quantitative data. What do you mean by quantitative data? If the given data is in a numerical form, then it is called as quantitative data. For example, octopus is 8-legged creature. If the data is given in this way, it is called as quantitative data. So, next topic. The next topic is measure of central tendency. So, the measure of central tendency. In this central tendency, there are three. First one is mean, and the second one is mode, and the third one is median. But in this session, I am going to say only going to say about mean. So, in mean also, the data is also given in grouped data and ungrouped data. So, mean is also the data given is being in grouped and ungrouped data. So, grouped data will have two: assumed mean method and step deviation method. If the data is given in ungrouped data, you have to do direct method. So, for direct method, the formula to be used is sigma fi xr by sigma fi. So, when the data in the mean is given in the ungrouped data, we have to use direct method. For that, the formula is sigma fi xr by sigma fi. We may be not understanding this, but in problems we are going to know about this. In this chapter, in this particular statistics topic, we are going to know many words like class intervals and class marks and frequency, so on. So now we'll learn now we're gonna solve a problem on direct method. In this particular session, I'm going to say one type of problem of a direct method. In next session, we are going to know about the assumed method and step deviated method clearly. Because these both are lengthy methods, we can't even properly understand. So, I'll give a brief understanding to you. Now, I'm going to say only about direct method. take a problem. In our textbook and exams, they'll give the question in this way. They'll give two columns, and the first column is represented as class intervals. And the second column is also called frequency. So let's take a problem. In the question, the observations are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the frequency is given as 2, 5, 3, 4 and 6 and 5. So what to do? You have to find sigma Fi and Xi. So what do you mean by sigma Fi and Xi? We have to multiply the frequency values with class intervals. So 2 into 0, 0. You will get 5, 6, 12, 24 and 25. So when we multiply Fi values with Xi values, we will get this much. For this we have to add frequency values and sigma Fi Xi values. When we add these both values, we will get 25. When we will add the frequency values, we will get 25. And when we will add the sigma Fi and Xi values, we will get 72. So the given formula, we are doing it in the problem in a direct method. So we have to use the formula sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So the sigma Fi Xi is 72 by sigma Fi is 25. When we got this particular division, we will get the answer as 2.88. So this is the direct method of the mean. So by our next session, we will know about the assumed mean method and deviation method. If you really like this video, please like, share and comment, and for latest updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.